Hello, I'm Bikiran Goswami, Design Engineer for Analog Devices iCoupler Digital Isolation Group. Electrical systems often use insulation for proper operation of circuits, protection of operators from electric shock, enhanced protection when voltages could generate lethal shocks. In the last case, lethal shock hazards, designers use components with double insulation or reinforced insulation. Historically, safety agencies required that solid insulation had to be at least 0.4 millimeter thick to meet reinforced standards. 0.4 millimeter was considered thick enough, so minor imperfections or contaminants would not compromise the effectiveness of the insulation, even to the worst power system transients. This 0.4 millimeter was reasonable for older isolators, such as optocouplers, but is not practical for newer digital isolators. iCoupler isolators, for example, offer reinforced insulation but do not meet the 0.4 millimeter thickness requirement. Let's take a look at how these robust isolators meet the requirements for reinforced insulation. First, the isolators must meet voltage withstand requirements. Then there are structural requirements such as distance along the surface of the package, distance through the air between the input and the output conductors. Internally, we transfer data through planar pulse transformers with a 20 micron layer of polyamide insulation. We build these coils in a wafer fab with a process similar to die bumping. These products are approved for reinforced insulation but only have 20 microns of insulation. What happened to the 0.4 millimeter requirement? It is a widely held misconception that all insulation must conform to the requirements for solid insulation. Under most IEC safety standards, semiconductor devices can meet reinforced standards through a rigorous combination of qualification testing and assembly line verification testing, such as thermal cycling under overload conditions, electrical strength overtest 1.6x overtest, high voltage surge testing at 10 kV, accelerated life testing, 100% electric strength test on the assembly line, and 100% partial discharge testing. The insulation is only 20 microns thick, but it is of such a high quality that it meets all of the rigorous testing requirements and is approved for reinforced applications where insulation can be a matter of life and death. Thank you for your time, and you can get more information on Analog Devices iCoupler products at analog.com/iCoupler.